Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Microsoft Store error 0x87AF0813 the right way, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection speed. Open fast.com and check the speed of the internet. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next one. I'll tell you why the internet speed is important, because you are accessing Microsoft Store apps through the internet. I mean, you're downloading them through the internet. For further solutions, search for Store in the Windows search bar. In the right pane, you can select the option for app settings. Okay, you'll have to expand the list. Scroll down, click on repair. It will need a few seconds, and once it shows a tick mark, then all is good, and then reset it. It will show the tick mark, and then all is good. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.